when a female-led film doesn't do well, I feel the collective failure on behalf of all women. 17 साल की उम्र में, 18 साल की उम्र में, when everyone is looking at you and everyone is expecting you to be at your best behavior, never say anything wrong. It's tough. लड़कियां female-oriented film सिर्फ अपने end के career के end में करते हैं national award के लिए. तुम्हारी तो अभी शुरू हुई है. I was kind of thrown into the pageant world. I became Miss India and Miss World when I was in 2017, 18. I literally came out of high school and अभी मैंने अपने boards भी नहीं दिए थे. And suddenly, you know, people are looking at you. जैसे अभी तो मुझे आदत हो गई है, आप लोग मुझ पे ऐसे बैठ के देख रहे हैं. लेकिन 17 साल की उम्र में, 18 साल की उम्र में, when everyone is looking at you and everyone is expecting you to be at your best behavior, never say anything wrong. It's tough. And because I was a pageant winner, I was expected to be perfect in every way, which a lot of girls are when you're coming into the field through that. And the pressure of all of that was, I didn't know what my next step was, but it was thrust upon me because अगर आप pageant जीतते हो तो फिल्में आपके पास आती ही हैं. अभी मैंने सोचा that was the natural progression. And sure, it must have been. I feel like it was some form of divinity where, you know, I was made to find my vocation. या जो भी मेरा future था मुझे मिला. किसी तरह से भगवान ने मुझे उस दिशा में भेजा.
After Miss World, you got your first film. You got your initial few films. Like, what was that moment when you realized, okay, now I can choose what I want to do?
Oh, many films later. I think around after Krish, maybe. Yeah, probably after the first Krish, maybe, somewhere there. Before that, it was always oh my gosh, what's the next one I'm going to do? What is the opportunity that's going to come to me? I picked from what came to me. After the first Krish, I think I was, because I had just done Aetraz as well, and I had just done Krish as well, I had done work which gave me a solid foundation. I got critical acclaim. I had people telling me I know my job, even though I didn't know I knew my job.
Yeah.
But that is when I started, that was a very clear time when I started seeking work that would challenge me. Like fashion was a time when I took that decision. It was right around Krish. And I remember Madhur sir and I met, and you know, at that time I was told कि लड़कियां female-oriented films सिर्फ अपने end के career के end में करते हैं national award के लिए. तुम्हारी तो अभी शुरू हुई है. You just done Krish, you just done Aetraz, you're having such a moment. Female-oriented films क्यों कर रहे हो? उस ज़माने में ज़्यादा होता भी नहीं था. This is early 2000s, like 2005, 6, somewhere there. But I just didn't know any better, you know. I loved the script. I loved what Madhur was talking about. हम लोग 6 महीने बैठे, I remember, with the writers, me, Madhur sir, and all of us. 6 महीने बैठे, we worked on the script, and it was just a passion project. मुझे नहीं मालूम था it would become what it did. But we worked on it for 6 months. We figured out. I remember मेरे गोवा के घर में मुझे बस ये मालूम, मुझे काम मालूम है, मुझे और कुछ नहीं मालूम. मैं सिर्फ काम करती हूँ. मैं टीम को गोवा लेकर गई. मेरा एक घर था वहाँ पे. हम लोगों ने एक पूरा फैशन का एक वॉल बनाया था कि मेघना माथुर की पूरी जिंदगी कहाँ से कहाँ होगी. जब वो शुरू में फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन ऑफ चंडीगढ़, तब वो कैसी लगेगी, उसके लुक्स कैसे होंगे, उसकी इमोशनल चेंजेस कैसे होंगे, फिजिकल चेंजेस कैसे होंगे. एंड आई थिंक all I focused on was, you know, immersing myself into who is this girl. If you're playing a character, if you ever think about acting or if you're thinking about playing a character, what worked for me, and I realized this at that time because that's when I started seeking work that was for me instead of being part of a big project only, is get to know your character like your best friend.
When you have success, you have failure as well. How do you deal with it? Because suddenly that journey becomes so lonely. You know, if it's successful, it's usually shared.
Yeah.
But if it's not, it's just you. And you know, most times if it's a film that's led by a female character, you know, then it just becomes like, you know, you're doomed because, I mean, it is a gender conversation.
Yes, that is a lot of it, but that is a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
Is when you have a female-led film because we have such few.
Yeah.
And because, you know, we are seeing successes of female-led films more and more, obviously. But that's tough because when a female-led film doesn't do well, I feel the collective failure on behalf of all women. Like I feel like, oh, I've taken them a few steps back. I've taken women a few steps back. This has to work because there are so few of us that get the opportunity to do this that we have to do it well. Whether that's filmmakers behind the camera, whether that's actors in front of the camera, whether that's writers or any medium that you're in, hair, makeup, whatever. Like you just feel the sense of, oh my gosh, I'm gonna let womankind down because we have such few opportunities. But I've learned to pivot my mind around that it's not personal. When a movie works, it works because it has something to say. And if it doesn't work, it didn't say what it needed to say. So take away the power of making it personal and just move on to the next thing. That's why I was saying it's easy to move on if you take away the power of feeling like, oh, ये तो सब मेरी गलती, ये तो मैंने किया, ये तो मेरा था. कैसे आपका था? 150 people worked on this movie. It's not just yours. So pick up, have a tub of ice cream, cry a few tears with your friends, go out,
Have a pizza,
move on.
maybe for a few nights.
Yeah, I do it for at least a week.
Yeah,
It takes me a week.
Me too.
Yeah. It's like a breakup. A bad movie is like a breakup.
But you know,
You pick up and move on eventually.
a breakup I feel like I can still deal with.
हीरे में हीरा हो तो उसे कहते हैं कोहिनूर